Whatever we think, make the plan, it doesn't go according to our thinking and plan. And same thing happened with me. Today I wanted to create a video. I wanted to, talk about one issue. But what happened? The moment I was about to do, all of sudden, that time we got heavy, strong storm. That storm was too much horrible. After that, we got heavy rainfall with lightning, thundering, and that was also too much dangerous. So in that condition it was not possible to record, and it is not should be done. So I was waiting, okay, but this time due to my less percentage battery I can't do, because for talking about the issue which we face initially in our beginning days of learning this language, it will take some time, and for that I need some more battery. So this time, after having a strong storm, heavy rainfall, lightning, it's very hard for getting the electricity. Let's see we are getting or what. But I thought, I was in dilemma, should I create video or I should just leave. Then I thought, no, this is the day I create my video, so why not to do. Okay, I will not tell, I will not talk about that issue due to this reason, but I can share, with my friends some good things, natural things with them. I can show them. So my friend, you can see some captivating scenario behind me. Take the glance how it's looking like. So beautiful, clean, clear. But yeah, in terms of crops, it was not good. You can see the crops bundles in the field. So many, of us has harvested. So many of us has not. Even you can see our is there. Some we have covered, some we could not. So in terms of crops, it was not good, but it's okay, it is not in our hand, it is totally natural. So it's okay. But yeah, you can see the weather, wind is blowing so cold. 2 days ago suddenly weather changed, we were feeling too much hot, and see, after 2 days, this time weather has become so cool, so cool. It seems that I will have to wear sweater, that much cold weather now. And one of the reason I am wearing this scarf just because of cool weather. I hope you love this video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We will meet in next video. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.